What is the best business to get into right now in the Philippines with everything going on? In today's video, we'll discuss that. Hey, what's up? This is Gus Rivera back again with another video. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Today is Peso Monday, where we talk about businesses and business topics in general that you can do in the Philippines or basically anywhere that it can be feasible to do those businesses in. I would love your feedback. So with everything going on these days, a lot of people are asking, what am I going to do with my money? Where am I going to put my money? What investments can I make right now that will make a difference? And sometimes, quite simply, and if you're not into business, quite simply, even if you're not into business, a lot of people are asking, what now? Like, what do I do now? Like, some people are unfortunately unemployed and things like that. Whether you're in the Philippines, America, it's just not good times right now. However, there is a silver lining amongst all this right now. Certain businesses that you can excel in at the present moment, and I'm going to list them down to you. This is me talking to my friends in the Philippines, some of my friends over here who run businesses, and just my basic feedback on things like that. Let me just ring them off here for you. Let me put them in my screen here. First one, it's got to be the food industry is really booming right now. From the research I have been doing, the food industry has seen a lot of growth due to the fact that nobody really wants to go anywhere and everybody's ordering. So even now I see a lot of new restaurants, new flavors coming out now because they're catering to a larger group of people now that don't want to go out, and maybe within the time of being inside the home, catching some cabin fever, they're like, let me try this out, let me try that out. So the food industry right now, especially in the Philippines, it's starting to kick up to the point where it might be a good idea to get into some type of food. Second is the logistics. Obviously, nobody wants to go out. The food has to get delivered, or just not even food. It could be many things. Garments, clothing, toilet paper, pretty much anything that you can fit into a truck or some type of van or whatever, or even motorcycles in the Philippines. Everything's being delivered right now. Look at Amazon. Look at the growth Amazon has had in this whole entire time of what's going on right now. It's pretty crazy, right? And last but not least is the service industry. Anything service-wise has been booming. A lot of people are staying home right now, so the probability of people being impulsive, just wanting to buy anything, get something done, is pretty high right now. I have friends who are roofing companies. Even with everything going on right now, they're still getting jobs right now at the moment. It was kind of slow in the beginning, but everything, once they got used to certain things, they're pretty much making their numbers very, very good. So that's something to consider. Getting into the service industry, catering to a particular set of people, doing a particular set of things. That's something that everyone should definitely look into. The takeaway of this is that big and small business alike are realizing that more than ever, we as a country, more than ever, moreover the world, right, at this moment right now, is crazy dependent on technology. You're going to see in the next few months, next few years, new technologies coming out to cater to these needs, and it's understandable. So for those of you out there, you have a couple of choices. Either you adapt or you don't. That's pretty much it. So for those of you who are wanting to get into businesses, having that as a core, like, okay, let me go after this particular issue that needs to be solved. And a lot of it is logistics too. Just how are we going to get it to these people, like type of issues, you know? Which concludes me to this video, the question of the day, which is, what is it that you're thinking about right now that can put yourself in a better position financially or whatever, as well as help issues, today's ever-growing problem with containing and maintaining with COVID and everything. So comment down below what businesses that you're thinking of wanting to do in today's time, and even better, if it's going to be in the service industry or food industry, comment down below, and I would love to hear your feedback as to how are we going to get over this hump and excel and thrive rather than just keep surviving at this present moment. Let me know, because I really want to know, and it's just interesting to see how people's minds work. What product or service can you go out there and do to try to, one, make it lucrative, hopefully, and 2, help the people get what they want, pretty much. So this is Gilbert Vergara back again with Do My Life, and I really appreciate it. This is going to be a very short video, pretty much my spiel today. And as far as the channel is growing day by day, heard this guy right here. Have a great day. If you have any ideas or anything like that, let's put it in a mindset of if money wasn't the issue at the moment right now for you, what would you really be investing into to really put yourself in a way where you can grow the money perpetually, right? So I look forward to those answers. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.